3800 series door glazing video. Snap in orange colored shims at the top and sides. Snap in purple shims on the bottom. All shims must be installed prior to glazing. Ensure you always place glass on a soft surface to avoid breaking. Even a screw or nail will shatter glass. Set glass on bottom shims and press in the sides and the top. Be sure to hold the glass in the opening before any glazing stops are installed to avoid it falling out. Insert glazing stops into both corners of the sides first and tap in the glazing stops with the rubber mallet. Insert glazing stops on the bottom, starting in the corners first. The label is always on the inside of the glass. Insert glazing stops on the top, starting in the corners first. In case you have to remove the glazing stops, tap a putty knife or flat bar into the middle of the bead, not in the corner, and pry glazing stop outwards. Always begin removal halfway point of the glazing stop. The remaining two pieces of glazing stops can now be removed from the corners first, only after the first two pieces are removed.